Hello, my name is Bruno Tideman. I'm the owner of Tideman Boats. We are a manufacturer of small high-speed workboats made of HDPE. Our boats are meant for people who work on the water. That means that they have to rely on the boats 24/7 at any location in the world. And that can be for dredging companies, for survey tasks, it can be for diving companies, for governmental use, military, security, patrolling, those type of applications.
I'm Aswin. I work at Tideman Boats in Hoorn. The Yamaha, it is very easy to install, and when I have some problems I can call the Yamaha support service and then I can fix the job. Our ships go around the world, and when the clients have some questions, we can help them easily, but it makes them very reliable.
HDPE is a very good material. It's a thermoplastic material. It has got a low carbon footprint. It's 100% recyclable. It's completely inert, so that means there's no galvanic corrosion. And most important, it's extremely impact resistant, so it can take a lot of abuse. Any fool can use our boat without damaging it. Yeah, we chose Yamaha as our main propulsion partner. It's because we found that Yamahas are the most reliable engines in the world and they have the best service capabilities. These boats are built to last, and then you also need an engine that is built to last, and Yamaha provides that.